This is the RC stunt car. Just want to give you a quick look here so you can see what it looks like. One thing you need to know, you need to make sure you tighten these screws very tight. They want to be sealed really tight because the battery goes in here, and when you go in the water, you don't want any water getting there to mess up the car and not be able to use it again. But yeah, I'm going to take this outside in the back, and I'm going to actually put it in the pool as well so you guys can see that. And here's a remote control. All you gotta do is put some AA batteries in there. So let's check it out. There it goes. It's hard to turn the water.
You just like do the one side and then you.
Oh, okay.
And then you want to turn the other. Oh.
What was that? Oh. This thing is sweet, bro. Where's Carrie at?
So when I press the triggers, it makes it like go extra powerful and it makes it.
Okay.